Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun special video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Cooper the dog. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Cooper, let's begin with the nose. So I want to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little line that just comes right across here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up. Now, starting here, let's go ahead and make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve this up like that. And then let's do another one here. We're just going to go down, and then we're going to curve this up for the mouth. At the end, let's make a little curved line here and a little curved line here. Now, let's draw a line that's going to come down here, and then let's make another line that's going to come down here on this side for the mouth. Let's make a little line that's going to go up and down here for the top of the tongue. And then let's draw a line that's just going to go down and up for the tongue. Then I like to put a little line right down the middle of the tongue. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's just going to curve up and down, just so we can kind of shape out the snout. Then let's work on the eyes. Let's begin by making a circle right here. Then we'll do a circle over here. I'm going to make a smaller circle at the top of each one. And then another little circle kind of to the opposite end. And then let's just color in right around those circles. Next, let's put a couple little dots on each side. Now, starting here, let's make a little line that curves up and another little line that curves up for the eyebrows. Next, let's draw a line that's going to curve up here for the head. Let's make a couple little zigzag lines on here for some fur. And then let's curve this line down. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out and then down for the ear. And then same thing here. Let's bring this line out and then bring it down. Let's curve this line up, and let's put a few little zigzag lines on here. Same thing here, bring this up, and let's just put a couple little zigzag lines. Next, starting here, let's bring a line that's going to come down with a few little zigzags right to the tongue. And then same thing here, bring this line down with a few little zigzags. Now, let's make Cooper's bandana. So to start off with this, let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down here. And then over on this side, let's bring a line that's just going to curve down, and it's going to come to a point. Now, let's make his legs. So starting here, let's make a line that's going to have a couple little points, and then it's going to come down like this. And we'll do the same thing over here. Let's make a couple little points, and then we'll bring this line down. Now for the foot, let's go ahead and make a circle shape like this. And then let's do the same thing here. Let's just kind of make this circle shape, and you can see that we didn't close it in all the way. Next, we're going to bring this line up, and then we're going to bring this line up. Then for the toes, let's put two little lines on each foot. Then we'll make a little line across here. And I'm actually going to make these legs just a little bit taller. Now, starting here, let's curve this line down. We'll put a couple little points on it. And then let's do the same thing here. Curve this down with a couple points to make the back legs. Then let's curve a line around here. And then let's curve a line right around here. And then we'll put two little lines and two little lines. Then I'm going to make a little zigzag line right here, so it makes it look like he's a little bit furry. Now let's finish off with the tail. So starting here, let's bring this line up. Then let's go ahead and bring this line down with some points. And there you go, there is your drawing of Cooper. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.